Today, I've brought something really interesting for you. I'm going to show you a website where you can enjoy unlimited gaming without worrying about time limits. The best part is, you can use this website on your mobile, laptop, or PC, and it works perfectly in any browser. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup so you don't miss anything and can start playing instantly. So, if that sounds interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, let's get started. Alright guys, so you'll find the official link to this website down in the video description. Right now, I've already opened it in the Chrome browser. As soon as you land on the website, you'll notice there are more than 300 powerful games available here. And the best part is, you can play them unlimited times. But before jumping into any game, make sure you log in first. You can easily log in using your Google account, which makes the whole process super quick and hassle-free. Now here's a small but very useful step. Tap on the three dots in the Chrome browser and select Add to Home Screen. This will add the website directly to your home screen. So whenever you want, you can just tap the icon and instantly jump back into the site, just like an app. And playing games here is super easy. All you need to do is open any game you like and tap on the Play Now button. And boom! Your game starts instantly. Right now, we're running Endless Nightmares 2. This is a horror first-person shooter, story-based game, and the graphics look really impressive. You can clearly see that the game is running very smoothly, with no major lag or stuttering. And here's something really cool. The game runs just as smoothly on PC as it does on mobile. All you have to do is open your favorite browser on PC. Visit the official Jogo's website using the link in the description. Pick your favorite game and tap Play Now. The game will start instantly on PC as well. And the best part is that it properly supports keyboard and mouse. So yeah, whether you're on mobile or PC, giving you a clean and comfortable gaming experience. This platform makes gaming very simple and fast. No complicated setup, just pure gameplay. First up, we tested hill climb racing on the tablet. This game is a classic, but even today it's super fun to play. The controls feel very responsive. Acceleration and braking are smooth, and there's absolutely no input delay. Even during long runs with crazy jumps and flips, the game stays stable with zero stuttering. Physics feel natural, and the tablet handles it effortlessly. Whether you're playing casually or grinding for upgrades, the experience here is clean, smooth, and totally enjoyable. Next, we tried Slice Master, and this one is all about satisfying gameplay. The slicing animations feel super smooth, and the touch response is instant. Every slice feels clean and accurate, which is very important for this type of game. There are no frame drops at all, even when the screen is filled with effects. It's the kind of game you can play for a few minutes or lose track of time, playing for hours. Perfect casual gaming experience on the tablet. After that, we jumped into Harvest Simulator, and this game gives very chill, relaxing vibes. Farming, managing crops, and exploring the environment feels smooth and lag-free. The tablet handles the game really well, even when multiple things are happening on screen. Animations are stable, loading times are short, and overall performance feels consistent. If you're into calm, slow-paced simulation games, this one runs perfectly and is great for long gaming sessions. Then we tested Death Road Rally, which is a much more intense and fast-paced game. High-speed racing, sharp turns, and constant action, but still, performance stays solid. Frame rates are stable, controls are responsive, and there's no noticeable stuttering even during heavy moments. Visual effects look clean, and the game feels very playable. For a racing game like this, smooth performance really matters, and the tablet delivers a great experience here. Next up was Road Fighter, a retro-style game with a classic arcade feel. Even though the game is lightweight, smoothness is still important. Here, it runs flawlessly. Controls feel tight, animations are clean, and the game responds instantly to every input. There are no lag spikes or slowdowns at all. It's simple, fast, and fun. Finally, we tested Subway Surfers, and as expected, the game runs buttery smooth. Animations are fluid, character movements feel responsive, and even at high speeds, there's no lag. Transitions between areas are seamless, and performance stays consistent throughout. This game is well optimized, and on the tablet, it feels even smoother and more enjoyable. Perfect for quick runs or long high-score sessions. Smooth gameplay, stable FPS, and zero major issues. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite game, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.